Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Okay, today we're going to create a simple dictionary and we're going to loop through the items. So I'm going to create my dic and we've got Joe is going to be the first name, age 56. Okay, we're going to do Bill and give him an age as well of, let's say, 78, and Peter, let's say 81. Okay, so I'm just going to show you that this is actually a dictionary. So we're going to create a little function here called myDic. Type. Going to print type myDic, just to show you that this is actually a dictionary. So myDic type, so we can see what the data type is before we start on this. So I'm just going to run this, and there you go, class dictionary. Okay, so we'll just get rid of that, and now we're going to create a function that will help us loop through the items of the dictionary. Through dic. Okay, so we're going to say for X and Y in my dic dot items. Okay, so we're going to go through the items, all the items in this dictionary, and we're simply going to print out X and Y. Okay, so we're going to run the program, loop through dic. Let's just save it, let's run it. Okay, there we go. So it's printed out all the items, the key and the value here. So we've got Joe 56, Bill 78, Peter 81. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.